channel Green Classes. In today's lecture, we'll start with exercise 2.4 from question number 8 till question number 10. So let's begin. So let us start from question number 8. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. What is the meaning of herd of deer? Means हिरणों का झुंड. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. We have to tell हिरणों के झुंड में कितने हिरन हैं. So let the total number of deer be X. So right here, let the total number of deer be X. So now let us write what all things are given in the question. First we will write deer grazing in the field. How many deers are grazing in the field? Half means X upon 2. Next we will write deer playing nearby. So nearby how many deer are playing? That is 3/4. So X upon 2 into 3/4. That is 3X upon 8. Next, deer drinking water. How many deer are drinking water? That is 9. So now right here, according to question, we will add X upon 2 plus 3X upon 8 plus 9, that will be equal to total number of deer, that is X. So this is our required equation. So now let us solve. LCM of 2 and 8 will be 8. 2 4s are 8. 4X plus 3X plus 9 is equal to X. 4 plus 3, 7X upon 8 plus 9 is equal to X. So now we will transpose 7X upon 8 to the right. It will become minus. So right here 9 is equal to X minus 7X upon 8. 9 is equal to LCM will be 8. 8X minus 7X. So 9 is equal to X upon 8. Cross multiply. X is equal to 72. So at last we will write, therefore, the total number of deer in the herd are 72. Question number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. We have to find out the present age of grandfather and present age of granddaughter. So let us assume here the present age of granddaughter be X. So right here, let the present age of granddaughter be X and grandfather present age will be 10X. As in the question it is said, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So it will be 10X. So next time we will write also he is 54 years older than her. So what will be the granddaughter's age? It will be X plus 54. As he is 54 years older than her, means X plus 54. So now according to the question, present age of grandfather, that is 10X, is equal to X plus 54. So 10X minus X is equal to 54. 10 minus 1, 9X is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 upon 9. 9 6 x is equal to 6. At last we will write, therefore the present age of granddaughter is 6 years and present age of grandfather is 10x. 10 into 6, that is 60 years. Question number 10. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. We have to find out the present age of Aman and Aman's son. So let us assume the present age of Aman's son be x. So right here, let the present age of Aman's son be x. So present age of Aman will be, Aman's present age will be 3 times his son age, means 3x. 10 years ago means 10 साल पहले. Earlier questions we have done like 2 years after, 3 years after. In that case we add 10 years ago means 10 साल पहले. So we will subtract 10 साल पहले. What will be the age of Aman's son? It will be x minus 10. So right here 10 years ago, present age of Aman's son will be x minus 10 and present age of Aman will be 3x minus 10. So this will be the ages of Aman and Aman's son 10 years ago. Now as per the question, 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Son's age is x minus 10. So it is 5 times. So now this is our required equation. Let us solve. 5 into x, 5x minus 50 is equal to 3x minus 10. So 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 10 plus 50. 5 minus 3, 2x is equal to 50 minus 10, 40. X is equal to 40 upon 2. So x is equal to 220. So the value of x is coming here 20. At last we will write, therefore present age of Aman's son is 20 years and present age of Aman will be 3 into 20, that is 60 years. Students, that's all today's class. I hope you all understood good man's class. In today's lecture we have completed exercise 2.4 till question number 10. In the next class we'll start from exercise 2.5. So stay connected, do like, share, subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.